Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Pikachu using the accessory adjustments feature on Dress to Impress. I know this looks not that great, but I'm not gonna bother doing his full fit. But let's get started with the video. We are going to go to the kitten whiskers first, and we're going to use this color a lot. So FFAF54 is the yellow we're going to use. It's going to save that color, and we're going to color that black. For the accessory adjustment, 0.83. God, I'm just gonna zoom in because my vision isn't the best. 0.61, Z at 0.33, rotate it at 0.52, and Y at 0.57, Z at 0.42, and scale it to 0.43. Then we are going to use this for hat in that color, and we're going to toggle on glitter. And then for the adjustment for this one, 0.85, Y at 0.19, Z at 0.5, so still the same. Position 0.11, Y at 0, Z at 0.9, and we're going to scale it all the way down to 0. Then we will need these bunny ears in the color black and that same yellow in glitter. For this accessory adjustment, you're going to need 0.85, Y at 0.19, 0.43, sorry, 0.22 for the Z axis, rotate it at 0.72, and scale it down to 0.21. Then we're going to go use this one teddy bear thing. I don't know what it's called. Again, yellow with that glitter material. Position it at 0.83, Y at 0.28, Z at 0.32, rotate it at 0, Y at 0.57, Z at 0.55, and you're going to scale it to 0.07. Okay, next we are going to get the bucket hat, this one. I'm just going to color it yellow with glitter. For this one, we are going to do position at 0.83, Y at 0.43, Z at 0.45, rotate it at 0, and then 0.6, Z at 0.43, and scale it all the way to 0.18. Like so. For the eyes, we're going to use two different types of eyes, I know. But we're going to use these earrings. Where is it? This one first. In black, the flower shaped one. For this one, we're going to position it at 0.93, Y at 0.79, Z at 0.39, rotate it at 0.5, and then 0, and then 0.64. Then we're going to scale it all the way to a 1. For the next eyes, we're going to use the round earrings here in black. And then we're going to position that at 0.65, Y at 0.71, Z at 0.45, rotate it at 1 for the y-axis, and scale it up to a 1. Then for the mouth, we're going to use the eye mask here. Color it the yellow color in glitter and in black. For the accessory adjustments, 0.82, Y at 0.49, Z at 0.28, rotate it at 0.79, Y at 0.61, Z at 0.39, and scale it down to a 0. We're almost done. We're going to go to the code items, and then we're going to select the bunny ears here. Then we're just going to color everything that yellow color. Unfortunately, we cannot add glitter, so that's fine. 0.87. Y at 0.49. Z at 0.28. Rotate it at 0.79. Y at 0.6 T1. Z at 0.39. And wait, I did the wrong one, sorry. 0.54 on this one. 0.61, okay, that one is right. And then 0.51. Sorry, my bad. And then you're going to scale it to 0.34. I guess it's just to add more stuff. Did I position it right even? Okay, no, it's 0.46. And the Z is at 0.38. Okay. Then we are going to give Pikachu the like blush, the ears. So we're going to use this. You can use, I'm just going to use this red actually. This red here. And then for the position, I'll make sure I do this right this time. 0.8, Y at 0.46, Z at 0.37, rotate it at 0.6, Y at 0.47, sorry, 0.6 is meant to be for this one, and this one's at 0, and then this one is at 0.47. Then you're going to scale it all the way down to 0. Lastly, for the tail, I'm just going to use the braids here. So go to updo, select this braid, and then color it that same yellow. And then we're going to lastly position it at 0.93, Y at 0.38, Z at 0.5, rotate it at 0.54, then at 0, 0.81, and scale it to 0.2. And that is how you can create Pikachu on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!